Did you know that 84% of people struggle to transition from work mode to relaxation? After a long week of emails, meetings, and constant screen time, it's no wonder our minds have a hard time slowing down. If you're finding it tough to switch gears and get into a calm state for journaling, you're not alone. Today, I'll be sharing some powerful techniques to help you calm your mind and get ready for handwriting. Hey everyone, I'm Alicia, and welcome back to Pin Your Purpose. Here we explore how journaling can help you manage stress, find clarity, and connect with yourself in a mindful way. If that sounds like something you could use more of, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. You've been in go mode all week, responding to emails, managing projects, and constantly multitasking. When it's finally time to sit down with your journal, your mind is still buzzing, and it feels impossible to slow down. We all know how good journaling can be for mental clarity, but getting into the right mindset can be tough after such a busy week. The issue here is that when your mind is overstimulated, it's hard to jump straight into handwriting. You might have the best intentions to journal, but if your brain is stuck in work mode, you'll find yourself distracted or frustrated. This is especially challenging for those of us who deal with ADHD or just feel overwhelmed by the fast pace of life. Without the right mental preparation, the calming act of journaling can feel like just another task. If we don't take time to prepare our minds, we risk losing out on the real benefits of journaling: mental clarity, stress relief, and focus. You might even start avoiding it altogether because it feels like you can't get into the right headspace. Over time, this can leave you feeling mentally cluttered and disconnected from yourself. But the good news? You can change that by using a few simple techniques to ease your mind into a state of relaxation before you start writing. Let's talk about some relaxation techniques that will help you prepare your mind and body for handwriting. First, let's start with breathing. Deep breathing is a powerful tool to calm your nervous system. Try this. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in for 4 counts. Hold it for 4. Then slowly exhale for 4. Repeat this a few times and notice how your mind starts to slow down. Next, we can't forget about the body. After a busy day, your muscles might be tense. Before you start writing, try some gentle seated stretches. Roll your shoulders back. Stretch your neck from side to side and flex your wrists. These simple movements will help release tension and get your body ready for journaling. Another key to preparing your mind is setting up your environment. A calm space can make all the difference. Consider adding aromatherapy to your journaling routine. Scents like lavender or chamomile can help relax your mind. You can use an essential oil diffuser, light a candle, or simply place a few drops of essential oil on a tissue near your workspace. These small changes help signal to your brain that it's time to shift gears. Another important way to prepare your mind is by creating a pre-writing ritual. This is a simple, consistent action that tells your brain it's time to transition into journaling. Your ritual could be anything that feels calming to you. Maybe it's flipping through your previous journal entries for inspiration, sitting quietly with a cup of tea, or even just listening to calming music. These small routines help create a sense of focus and calm before you even put pen to paper. I know not everyone feels comfortable leaving a comment online, and that's totally okay. If that's you, here's another idea. Take what you've learned and share it with a friend or family member. You can write down your thoughts on these techniques and then discuss them over coffee or during a phone call. Sharing your journaling journey with someone close to you can be just as rewarding as commenting here. Now that you've learned some helpful techniques to prepare your mind for handwriting, I encourage you to give them a try. Take a few minutes before your next journaling session to breathe deeply, stretch, and set up a calm environment. Once you've tried these techniques, let me know how they worked for you. Share your thoughts with your friends and family members too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more mindfulness and journaling tips. In our next video, we'll explore how journaling can help you focus and calm your mind, especially if you deal with ADHD. I'll be sharing specific techniques on how to use journaling to manage overstimulation and boost mental clarity. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.